Hey guys, I'm at the Weyerhaeuser booth and I've got something really cool above me. Looks like they took some OSB, cut some holes in it, stretched it out a little bit, now it's a floor joist. So these guys also make TJIs. This is not available yet, but what I really like about this, it's got the holes in it already. That way you can run your mechanicals through it. But it's also using a term called nesting. Nesting is where you make certain cuts of materials where you don't have any waste. So this right here, they got a little sinusoidal wave in it, and basically they cut it through the middle and then they glue it together. So all this is cut out of one piece and re-glued in the middle. It's not quite available yet because I know you guys are really excited. It's a really cool product. They're trying to see if this was a viable product at the builder show. It is. I think they are going to put this into production, and I believe this is going to be available in the first quarter of 2027. Hey, if you got value out of this, we've got full coverage from this year's show. Check out our tours of the new American home, the new American model, and all of our interviews from the show floor. For your convenience, all the playlists are right here. Don't forget to subscribe since we've got more coming.